Maddox here. Let's go ahead and unbox the Fenrir Bar End Mirrors. So shout out to Fenrir. A while ago they sent me these to take a look at, and so I had already had some aftermarket bar end mirrors on my Z900, so it's taken me a while to kind of get around to reviewing these, but these are a nice set of mirrors and could be an alternative for some folks out there that have a Z900 or any other motorcycle that you may want to upgrade the side view mirrors. You know, those side view mirrors on the Z900, yeah, I don't like them at all, the OEM. So those are one of the first things that I wanted to change, and once I swapped them out, it just changed the whole profile of the bike entirely. So on the bike now, I have Motogadget bar ends, but what we want to do now is take a look at these Fenrir bar end mirrors. You can see it comes with some hardware, so some bolts that kind of screw into the handlebars if you have that type of connection. I also have the ones that kind of go into the hollow stem and can expand if you have that. So it looks like it comes with a nice set of options to mount these. Yeah, the hardware looks really nice. And what I like to do is pull out my UV light. I don't know if that'll show up on the camera, but oftentimes that'll highlight any kind of surface defects or imperfections in the metalwork, and I do not see any. So let's look at the actual mirrors themselves. The back is really nice, has a nice texture. You can see that nice finish on the back, and the actual mirrors themselves, it's a nice shape. So why don't we go out to the garage, see what these bad boys look like up against the bike. Maybe we'll swap out one of them and do a full comparison, or maybe just swap them both out and see how they look on the Z900. Hey YouTube, another thing I wanted to share with y'all is I'm testing out some designs and some merch. So you can see we have some neck gaiters. These came out really nice. The hoodie with the Moto Maddox logo. So I'm testing out a few things. You can see I have a few samples. Shout out to Broken Six and Lump Vision. I have some t-shirts for you guys. Appreciate the support. Also have some stickers. So testing out a few things. Eventually I'll put these on the Moto Maddox website. So yeah, in the comments, let me know what you think. Also let me know if you want a neck gaiter or a t-shirt or something. You know, trying to show some appreciation for all the folks that engage with Moto Maddox, folks that leave comments, like and subscribe to the videos. So be sure to leave a comment or send me a message on IG. All right, so let's kind of take a look at these mirrors. Let's use this one. So yeah, that looks really nice. It fits perfectly with the design of my bike. I like the angular shape, kind of matches with the Sugoni styling. So let's see. Yeah, it's actually gonna fit really nicely. So I already have some bar ends on here. You can see those high sider bar ends. So all I need to do is just loosen up this this existing mirror, and I'll swap and put the Fenrir on, and then see how it looks. All right, so we're essentially going to take the mirror, and that's a little back piece, and this little bolt just should drop right in. You can see it connects just like so. Take one of the Allen keys that come with it, tighten it up a little bit, and just like that, see you have one of them assembled. And so essentially it'll just slide, you know, right on to that bar end like that. So it's pretty simple to put these things together. So let me pop the other one on. See if I can position this. Kind of see exactly what we're doing here. So grabbing a little bolt, little crush washer. We have the mounting bracket. Pop the little screw in there. Connect it like so. Yeah, these things are ready to go. Pretty slick. So yeah, those I mean, that's pretty simple. Get those things assembled. So let me take off these existing mirrors and swap on the Fenrir. Just like that, they're on there. This up. Alright, Moto Maddox. Just got some gas. I'm gonna test these Fenrir Bar End Mirrors. Have them installed. So let's see how they work. far they look really good. You know, the angular design and shape matches well with you know, the Z900. They actually have these things in a variety of shapes, just like most other bar end mirror manufacturers, suppliers. Oh, should have went straight. But yeah, they look good. Make sure I can adjust them. It's right behind me. Angle that out just a little bit. Fenrir. They installed with no problems. Hardware is nice. I'm not noticing any kind of weird vibration at idle. But let's test it when we get up to speed. Let's test out the Fenrir mirrors. They staying pretty stable at speed. Let's see. Yeah. Adjustment. Yeah, I mean, these things are fun. Fenrir Bar End Mirrors. It's a nice piece of kit. Yeah, they look nice. Stable at speed, not fuzzy or vibrating. Could definitely give these a recommendation. You have good visibility, and they're pretty stable. So yeah, the Fenrir Bar End Mirrors kind of passed the functionality test. They already passed the form test right out of the box. They look great. Certainly recommend folks that are in the market for some mirror upgrades to consider the folks at Fenrir. I know there's like a couple like really big and popular upgrades with the Rizoma stealth mirrors. Those look pretty nice. You know, the fact that they kind of fold flat and you know, have like a minimalist look when they, you know, kind of, when I say fold flat, just means that they fold kind of horizontally. So for folks that like that look, or maybe even need that little extra benefit of less wind resistance, you know, those Rizoma stealth mirrors look really nice. When I first got this Z900, I also did the mirror you know, the huge antenna delete. It's one of the first things I did. And I got the Motogadget glassless bar ends, and those look really nice. Got them because they were pretty novel. But I have to say, I do like these Fenrir mirrors. Alright, so these Fenrir mirrors, definitely recommend them. They look nice, they perform well. Nice option for folks looking to upgrade, the stock mirrors on your motorcycle. So check out my link below. Go ahead and get you a pair.